Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to swap out an image on your Wix website, whether you want to freshen up your homepage, update a product photo, or simply add a personal touch, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change any image on your Wix site with confidence and ease. No more second guessing or worrying about where to click. I'm going to walk you through every detail so you'll leave feeling like a Wix pro. Let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is basically the control center for your website, where all the magic happens. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to sign in and locate your site. Think of this like walking into your art studio to set up a new canvas. The dashboard is where you can design and reshape your site just how you want it. Once you're inside your site editor, scroll through your page to find the exact image you want to change. Just take a moment to click on that image itself. Now, this step might sound simple, but it's really important. You want to be sure you've selected the right image, especially if your page has several pictures that look similar. And don't worry if you click the wrong one. You can always just click away and try again. Once you click, you'll notice a small toolbar or a set of options will appear either just above the image or on the side of your screen. This is Wix's way of letting you know, hey, you're in control of this element now. Now look for the button or menu that says Change Image. This is usually right on the toolbar when you've got the image selected. It's pretty straightforward, but sometimes you might have to explore just a little if your version of Wix looks slightly different. When you see Change Image, give it a click. What's happening here is that Wix is giving you access to switch out your current photo for something new. So imagine this as swapping a picture frame on your wall with a fresh painting. You're not changing the wall, just the artwork. From here, you get two main choices for your new image, and this is where you get to personalize things. You can upload an image from your own computer, or you can use Wix's built-in media library. If you've got a photo saved, maybe it's a new team portrait, a recent event, or a product shot, simply hit the upload icon, locate your image file, and let Wix handle the rest. It might take a few moments for the file to upload, especially if it's high resolution, so don't worry if it's not instant. Alternatively, Wix has a huge selection of free media available, including stock photos, illustrations, and more. This is perfect if you're looking for something fresh and professional but don't have the right image handy. Once you've found your new image, either from your device or Wix's media gallery, just select it by clicking. You'll see a little preview pop up, and this is your chance to double-check that you love how it looks. When you feel good about your choice, go ahead and click Add Image. Wix will swap out the old image with the new one in an instant, and you should see the update right there on your page. And that's it. You've just changed an image on your Wix website. It's honestly a simple process once you know what steps to follow. Remember, you can repeat this as many times as you need for other images. It's a fantastic way to keep your site fresh and engaging for visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you had any trouble along the way or still have questions about using Wix, please drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm here to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials for building your website, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.